Yay! Yeah! Let's put our thinking caps and explore the creativity we have to display and just think about what we can create. Again, my fellow students, this is technology, so we do not need no pencil, no paper, just our bright and young minds. Okay, wait a minute. The one physical material you do need is your laptop, but that is provided by the school, so we're all handy dandy there. Okay, my friends, we are using this online resource called Tinkercad 3D Digital Designs. And so this is what we're going to use to create our unique missions that we are going to accomplish and show to the class. Alrighty, and this is a quick little recap of our goals for this project. We have goal 1, goal 2, and goal 3. I know you're all thinking, Miss M, how do we do this? How do we navigate Tinkercad? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a video on YouTube. This is a tutorial by Pamela Lee, and she breaks down in 3 minutes how to use Tinkercad, and I will also provide the link in the slides so that way you could show your parents, your friends, anyone you can to show this valuable resource. So here's Pamela Lee explaining the tutorial on Tinkercad.
Hey there, so here's a quick tutorial on how to use Tinkercad. So the address, the URL is www.tinkercad.com. You'll have to sign up and create an account. And then once you're in, you can create a new design. So this software is free and it's quite easy to use. Used to design 3D objects, which you can 3D print later if you're interested in doing so. So here are some controls first. If you scroll up and down on the wheel of your mouse, you can zoom in and out. To rotate your view, keep your right button on your mouse down and then just drag around. Okay, so let's get started. On the right toolbar here, you'll see different shapes that you can use, geometric shapes, there are even letters and some other interesting shapes down there. So let's make a simple house. You want to drag and drop objects on, so I'm keeping my finger on the left mouse button. There we go, I dragged a cube there, and you can resize it. I'll leave it like that for now. Now let's drag on a roof. So, I need to make it a bit higher and put it on top of the house. So this is for moving it vertically. And then I'm going to change my view again to make it easier to drag on top. Let's enlarge it a bit. There we go. But these are still two separate objects. We want to group them together. So I'm going to select both objects by dragging a box over them and selecting group. There we go. Another simple tool to use are holes. So let's make a hole in our house. We drag a cylinder onto the seam. Let's make it a bit bigger. Let's drag it to make sure it intersects our home. There we go. So we want this to be a hole. So we'll select hole here. And again, we need to group these objects together. And group. And that's it.
Okay, now class, that we have a breakdown on the tutorial on how to use this resource, I expect to see a ton of unique creations and just different variety of missions that explore your imagination and your thought process. As mentioned, you can join as a member and you can also join as a class. So I do have our class code put up on the board. It is morphine room 7. And once you join that, then you guys can go ahead and get started on your project, and then we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Let's do this.